Hey, what's up developers, my name is Kohli and welcome back to Developers Commute. In this video, we're going to go forward and try to code the Miso app. Previously, we have already designed everything that we need to do. For now, I have already made a project in Android Studio and imported all of the dependencies that we need. The main aim of this video is to actually architect our whole app, make the MVVM architecture, the files, the folder, the packages, and try to make the screens for now. Let's get started with designing the architecture and making the screens. For now, I have actually decided to make the architecture of the app as MVVM. Therefore, I need to make some packages right here. We are making this screen. We need this particular glacier right here, this circle, this Hitesh, this is some kind of text, and this is a button. This is of course a bottom nav bar. And we want a brush. Let's create an offset positive infinity that will be towards the x, towards the max, whatever the value is, and let's put 0f here. That will be the offset for the stop, and let's put n here and it will be 0f. Let's create a colors value. Looks similar. Done here. We have already made the green. First of all, I'll export this thing. I'm thinking of exporting this thing and using it instead of just creating this out of the blue in Canvas, even if that's possible. I was able to create the border and fill the color right here with the help canvas. Now it's a very complicated process, but I was able to somehow do with that. I was able to create this path with the help of raw path and canvas, and basically this thing can be, the water filling animation can be influenced with this particular scope. Let's try to increase this thing and let's see if it increases a little bit. So the water animation is working. Let me try this once more. Let's get 500, and I think so the water level should increase. Yes, it's increasing inside of the glacier. I've drawn a canvas. Basically, after drawing this glacier, I have clipped this glacier from the box and added a rectangle behind this box with the color of water whose size can be manipulated, and I'm manipulating and playing with the size, and it appears as if the glacier is being filled. Now we have already made the home screen, designed some architecture. In the next video, we'll make more screens. For now, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.